It might not look like it, but winter is coming here in Montana. We've had it freeze a few nights in a row, and if I'm going to get this rare Case LI industrial tractor running, driving, and sold, I'm going to have to get a move on. And the very first step is to get this thing washed down with a jet wash so that we can do an oil change. I hate jet washing them before the oil change because you just get water in your sump. So let's get going. Brakes would be really good, baby.
Yeah, I was just asking where those are.
They're the foot pedal. You know, like on every vehicle you've ever been in.
Well, the foot pedal obviously didn't do anything, did it?
Well, they worked last time.
I don't know. That's the one, right? Oh.
Yeah.
We're good.
I'm going to level with you folks. This week has been frustrating. That crash wasn't even close to the worst thing. And I will show you the accident damage in a minute. But earlier this week, we had a 10-ton truck smash through those 24-foot wide, bright green electric gates you see in the background. They were locked to a zombie lock and they just got totaled. Because of that, we couldn't shut these gates while filming, and as you can see, someone's just randomly turned up right in the middle of this shoot, and we've got no way of keeping them out right now until those replacements arrive. But we have to get this tractor done, and we did have a much longer video planned, but like I say, so much has gone wrong, including the weather. As this sequence goes on, the wind gets stronger and stronger, and we got up to 46 miles an hour towards the end of this. The cameras kept getting blown over. We were doing our best to run in and put them up, and the editing was a challenge. Just trying to find the full sequence where we didn't have the cameras written out and things. Just one of those, you know. But we will be moving on to getting a proper will it start video for this case. I've already taken the carb off, but it needs a kit and that's on order. So the next video for the case is going to be a proper, legit will it start video where we'll go through from the start, and hopefully you will see this thing not only run but drive and move under its own steam, because like I said, I have to get this one finished and sold. I don't need 4 tractors. And this one here is rare and special. And there you can see the camera's going over. And because it's rare, the people that are into them absolutely love them. And I want to make sure that this goes to somebody that is really into these industrial versions of the K-Cell tractor. It's 1936, and it is something a little bit special. So we're going to crack on with this and get it done before the cold weather starts on us. This is where the wind is really, really strong. It's all blowing back onto her. And she's just powering through it, bless her. So this is my 1969 CJ5. It's got the V6 Dauntless engine in it that somebody put headers and a bunch of 90s speed parts on and things, and painted with a dead chicken. But I keep it kind of tatty for a reason. I have obviously a bunch of Jeeps, but I need one that I can actually use and do things with and not get too precious about. And keeping this, let's not kid ourselves, this isn't patina, is it? But keeping this as it is means that I don't really obsess about it. And one day I will probably restore it, but it'll only be after I've got some of the others completely done, so I'm not Jeepless because I use them so much for stuff. But let's have a look at the damage. So as you can see, it's popped this out here, and I'm sure this is just filler or very thick paint. Oh no, it is. It is. It's like a 16th of filler. Oh yeah, look. That's quality there, isn't it? And it just caved this in, and it did smash the number plate back and put a hole in the middle of it. And this section here was bent back, but I kind of just straightened it out. But other than that, rear quarter that just needs straightening. I think it's the filler that's stopping me actually pulling that back, but I can straighten that out, no problem at all. And I don't know what you folks think, but personally, I don't think it's really going to change this Jeep much. So, not that worried.